the left side part is going on. Not promoting any junk food, guys. I cannot stop my craving. If you can stop, please go for diets, etc. etc. Story closed today. Oh no. Drainage season Bangalore is hell, man. Hey, hi, how are you? Ella unnaru eppadi irukeenga kaise ellarku namaskara. This is me Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. Our channel has content related to travel, lifestyle, motovlogging and many more. If you are my old subscriber, you already know that I am doing motovlogging on Dominar. In case if you missed any videos related to Dominar, I am leaving iCard above, you can watch them. And coming to today's video, as I told in my last video already, I am going to Hyperrider store now and going to fit few accessories to my Dominar. There are already some accessories on Dominar. So at the end of this clip, I will make a complete video with all the accessories and their price and where I bought them. So in case if you are looking for accessories part, I am leaving chapters below. You can look the accessories chapter. As usual, I am making a vlog today. Let's continue with the vlog. Catch you guys from the GoPro view. So there is a Dominar. I am starting now. And that's my Polo. I'm not wearing any riding gear because I'm just going inside the city and it's 10 kilometers from here. Bye. The date is 23 and the time is around 2:50 in the afternoon, and today is a Monday, but still there is traffic in Bangalore. I would say Bangalore is almost back to normal. Unless there is a third wave, this is gonna continue and the regular traffic will be back. Okay, waiting here. I am at the Nagavara signal, by the way. For 5 kilometers it is showing me 20 minutes. I traveled almost 5 kilometers plus from my home and it takes another 20 minutes. I'm not recording a lot. There are police everywhere, man. Every 500 meters, 1 kilometer, people are like crazy. Not people, police are like crazy. They are stopping people like anything. I don't know where I am even. I'm just following the map and going. It is showing Queens Road. Left, right, so many left, so many right. I'm a bit confused actually. Yes, I took the wrong route, I guess. Okay, another left, right. I am near the Cubbon Park Metro. Yes. This is Cubbon Park Metro, and I think this is the stadium. Yeah, Chinnaswamy Stadium is on my left. You can see on the left. RCB. I'm also a big fan of RCB. Okay, now we're left. Sorry, right. It's always confusing between left and right for me. I think I have reached Hyperrider. Yeah, I have reached almost. It's on the right side. So here is Hyperrider store, Kiviraj Bajaj and 6K IOM. Everything is here on the left. Last time when I came, there was works going on here, so it took time. Go park somewhere. Where should I park, man? Parking under. I'll park and I'll speak to you guys from the store. So this is Hyperrider store as well as 6K IOM. If you watch my old vlog, you already know. I am still wearing the helmet. I'll remove the helmet and I'll speak to you. Okay, there is a crash guard and everything. This is a place where I came before I purchased Dominar. here are the accessories which are gonna go on my Dominar now. This is a crash guard. Hello, man. This is for the people who didn't see my last visit to Hyperrider. They have everything right from helmets, mobile chargers, motor, oils, chain sprays, etc., etc., to riding gear, jackets, shoes, helmets, top box, panniers, all accessories. You can find everything here. It is a one-stop destination for any biker because they have everything. They sell Rhinox jackets as well, Rhinox bags. So basically Sambhav is not here, and also the person who installs the accessories is not here. I am just waiting for them. Let them come. Once they come, I'll install the accessories and show you. I'm just passing my time here. This is a very good place. I don't know. I don't talk about other people's opinion, but I like Hyperrider store a little. Not little, I should say. I like it a lot. Maximum of the accessories which are on my bike are from Hyperrider, except a small aftermarket accessories. You can see the pannier boxes, top rack, even the jerry cans. So here I've started to fit the accessories. Let's watch. Nothing big, only 2 accessories. One crash guard and another one is top rack with pannier stay. Those are the must for touring. Basically they have removed the tail rings which comes with the bike. There are some screws as well at the below. He's removing them as well. The top rack with pannier stay is done. Now he is working on crash guards. I'll update you once the crash guard installation is done. Crash guard comes in 2 sections, upper section and lower section. Even if one section is damaged, we can replace only it, and other one it's fine. So these are the frame sliders. He will attach at the end. That frame slider will go here. So one section of the crash guard is going on. See, that is how both the sections get attached on top of one section on top of the other, and is attaching green rubber bushes so that you don't get noise or vibration. It's taking forever, man. I'm too hungry. I got a McD behind, you can see. Yeah, I saw a McD there, so I'm going there and we'll have a burger and then come back. It's been almost 3 hours. The time is around 5:45. Let me have something. I ordered my favorite American Supreme cheese chicken burger and meal, Coke, fries. I'll finish this and I'll go back to the store. I'm done with having my burger, but I'm not promoting any junk food, guys. I cannot stop my craving. If you can stop, please go for diets, etc., etc. But for me, food craving is too much. Let me see what is the situation at Hyperrider. Oh no, oh no. Still the left side part is going on more than 10-15 minutes. There was a small issue on the left side, so he had to adjust it properly. The setting is very good, I would say, because he is doing it very patiently. On the other side, it will take just 10 minutes. I'm basically doing time pass here. I'm near this Bajaj showroom, so I got a glimpse of this latest Dominar 250 dual color version. It just looks like elder brother of NS 200. I didn't like this. So the crash guard part is almost done. So I am done fixing the Hyperrider crash guard and pannier stay. It took me a while. I hope you guys understand, because sometimes it happens. It generally takes 2 hours, but today it took around 2.5 to 3 hours. I had done the billing and everything. Now I'll show you what accessories I have on the bike and where I bought them. These are the accessories which are on my bike. So we'll start from the front. This is the number plate holder which I bought from Hyperrider itself. This is 380 rupees. And this is the visor which is 900 rupees which I bought from Bikers Nation. This is hand guard. This also I bought from Bikers Nation, which is 750 rupees. These are KTM hand guard type. You can see them. They look good on the bike. And this is Bobo charger. This is available in Hyperrider as well. It costed me 1750. This is screen guard which I bought from Biker Module Chennai. I'll leave an Instagram page link for the visor, hand guards and this screen guard. We get two for 280 rupees. And you can see here, these are the handlebar raisers. These are from Hyperrider, which costed me 1180 rupees. And next, this is the Hyperrider top rack, which costed me 2800 rupees, and Hyperrider saddle stay, which costed me 2200 rupees. And then this crash guard, type 2 crash guard, which I showed you in the video. This is 4200 rupees. And I have installed FlashX also on the bike. FlashX you can get from Hyperrider, or also you can order from Race Dynamics website. I was in my native. I had to bear shipping charges, so I didn't order from Hyperrider, but it is available here. It costs 1900 or 2000. It depends. So these are the accessories which are on my Dominar. I hope you guys like the accessories. In case if you're looking for any accessory, just ping me in the comments or Instagram. I'll help you guys out. So check this out. So I'm done with my work here at the Hyperrider. I finished setting up the bike, so you saw all the accessories as well. I'm not closing the vlog here. I'll go home and close the vlog. And the ones who are watching directly the accessories don't know, I'm making a vlog as well with this. Our channel has content related to motor vlogging, lifestyle and travel, etc, etc. If you didn't subscribe yet to the channel, please do subscribe. Let's speak from the GoPro view. So I'm starting. The time is around 7:15. It was a long day. Let me see how the bike is after fixing these accessories. That is why I'm not ending the vlog. I need to take a left here. There is no need to say about Bangalore traffic, and it is also drizzling a bit. Let's see, Google Maps is showing 48 minutes and 18 kilometers. I hope it doesn't rain till I reach home. Oh my goodness, watch the map, man. Complete red. Complete red. Story closed today. Bike is not feeling odd and all. I feel the same, but I'm a bit worried about the gaps, because earlier it was just bike. Now I have this extra frame slider and behind also saddle stay. I don't know whether it is just a feeling or it's real, but I feel I cannot just go through inside the gaps here and there between cars. I'm being a bit cautious and careful. Bike touring. There are so many people. No, English. It's in English, not in Malayalam. It's in English. Tirupati, Andhra. No. You are from Kerala. It's banned in Kerala. Yeah. It's raining too heavily. I'll keep the GoPro inside. I'm just standing at one corner. And traffic is also pathetic. In rainy season, Bangalore is hell, man. I reached home. You can see I got little wet. This is how Bangalore will be. No one knows when it is gonna rain and when it is gonna be hot. When I was leaving home at around 3 o'clock in the noon, it was fine, but while coming by, it rained heavily and I got little wet. I didn't expect that it will take so much time. I thought I'll reach home by 5 or 6, so I didn't take the raincoat and go. But it started to rain and I got little wet. And one more thing, the main reason behind me not making this video a complete accessories video for Dominar is I don't want to restrict our channel to one particular thing. So I made mix of lifestyle and motovlogging in the same video. And even in the future it is going to be the same. And this is not my profession. I have a software profession, so I'm just doing this for memories and my passion. Day by day it is getting better, and day by day it is getting even more interesting. And even the bike rides is very smooth. So I would say that Dominar is touring ready, but we have to wait for some more time for touring on this because monsoon is on and I don't like rains basically. In case if you guys missed any video on the channel, I made separate playlists for each section like motovlogging, lifestyle, travel. Please do watch them and support. And if you like the content, please hit the like button, share and show your support. This is me, Europe, signing off. Take care, bye bye. Catch you in the next video, guys.